Welcome to the tour of this breathtaking shipping container house, a 2025 design that combines modern innovation with nature's tranquility. From the outside, this home is a visual masterpiece. Constructed from repurposed shipping containers, the structure is both sustainable and stylish. The sleek black and natural wood accents blend harmoniously with the forest surroundings, while the star feature is undoubtedly the spacious balcony, offering an unparalleled view of the lush green canopy. As we step inside, the living room immediately exudes warmth and comfort. Floor-to-ceiling windows not only bring in abundant natural light, but also provide a seamless connection to the outdoors. The decor combines modern minimalism with cozy touches. Think soft rugs, elegant lighting, and a plush sofa, making it the perfect spot to unwind or entertain guests. The kitchen is a brilliant mix of functionality and style. Compact yet highly efficient, it features state-of-the-art appliances, sleek cabinetry, and a breakfast bar with stools. The natural wood countertops tie into the home's rustic theme, while subtle lighting under the cabinets adds a contemporary flair. This space proves that even small kitchens can be both practical and visually appealing. Moving on, the home includes 2 bedrooms, each designed as a serene retreat. The master bedroom is a true highlight, with direct access to the balcony, allowing you to wake up to the soothing sights and sounds of the forest. The second bedroom is versatile, ideal for guests, children, or even as a creative workspace. Both rooms feature large windows, soft lighting, and smart storage solutions, ensuring comfort without clutter. The bathroom is a sanctuary of its own, featuring a luxurious walk-in rain shower, a modern vanity, and high-quality fixtures. The rustic tilework and wooden accents maintain the home's earthy charm, while the overall design focuses on comfort and functionality. Built with durability and sustainability in mind, this 2025 container house design is a marvel of modern engineering. Insulated walls, energy-efficient windows, and eco-friendly systems like solar panels and rainwater collection ensure this home is both comfortable and environmentally responsible. The estimated cost to build a house like this ranges from $60,000 to $120,000. Depending on the level of customization and materials used. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of the shipping container house with a beautiful balcony and forest view. If this design inspires you, don't forget to support our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more innovative home designs and ideas. Tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.